Hi, my name is Jennifer Bradley, celebrity makeup artist. I'm going to talk about step-by-step bridal makeup. I'm here at the Academy of Glam Studios in Cooper City, Florida with my lovely model, Taylor Torino. The first thing we're going to do is start with her eyes, make them a little bit more accentuated with a liner. We're going to open your eyes. We're going to use a soft shadow as her liner underneath her eyes on the bottom lashes. You should have very accentuated eyes, but it should be very soft. And I think a pencil eyeliner would probably be too harsh for bridal makeup underneath the eye. Then we're going to take a liquid eyeliner and create a more defined eye on the top of her lid at the base of her lashes. You're going to start in the middle, working outward. You can also then go towards the corner of her eye. Work the line over, and then create a more winged out line, working that line towards the middle. This will create a much bigger eye, make her lashes look fuller. Keep your eyes closed, please. And also will make a more defined eye for pictures. Very classic, clean bridal makeup. See, I'm going from the corner to the middle and then out and in. Once you're finished with the eyeliner, you're going to make a really pretty eye with the mascara. I'm going to make sure all the lashes are really coated. Open your eyes. And that is how we do a step-by-step bridal makeup look. This has been Jennifer Bradley, celebrity makeup artist. Thank you for watching.